Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to print a web page in Edge on Android. Say suppose you want to print a web page on and take a hard copy. So for that what you need to do is first you need to configure your Android phone with the printer. So you can go to the settings and based on your printer you can just configure the printer, and once the printer is connected with your device you can just go ahead with the steps that I'm going to share. So basically having a printer connected is a primary prerequisite. Once the printer is connected, you can go to Edge app and open any web page, and within the web page you can choose any page and then tap on these 3-bar options and go to select the share command, and within the share command the second option it says print. Just tap on the print command, and from the top you can where you save as PDF, just select that and choose all printers, and it will display the printer which is already connected. If the printer is not connected, you can tap on this add printer and you can choose the service from the available printer. Once you have selected the printer, you also have this option to customize, like whether you want to change the paper size, whether you want to change the orientation, color, and all other options. Once you have done that, you can just tap on this print command, which will essentially give you a print on your printing machine from your Android app. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.